final kit review is of the Subaru Impreza WRX STi, and this is a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya, and there's another painted version. Some of the details of the kit, and looks like it gives you, this is a 2000 model. Let's look inside. So we have lots of parts. First of all, let's look at this body. And Tamiya is a good brand, so we're expecting a good quality model. And we have a very nicely molded model here with a fair amount of detail, recessed door lines and panel lines here. We've got the nose also nicely molded, good quality there. Here we have our chassis with a lot of detail built in here. So here we have our front suspension parts, and it looks like our engines that are coming here. Here's our exhaust parts coming over the drivetrain, which connects here. Fuel tank, more suspension parts, spare wheel put in there. Here are our side mirrors and our scoop for the intercooler. And we've got our license plates. Here are our seats, nicely molded. And let's have a look at this next sprue here. So here we have our cockpit. It's a 4-seater, and you can see the central console has been molded in. Here's our dashboard. This is a right-hand drive, but a fair amount of detail there with the pedal box molded in. Here are the door sides. Here are our brakes and wheel hubs. We've got our front sections here for the grills. Windshield wipers over here with the rear one. Windshield wiper drainage area. Steering column, steering wheel, stick shift, and our handbrake. All fairly well molded. Good level of detail, no flashing or extra parts. See here, we have our light covers, headlight covers over here, and our glass. We have some sticky parts here, sticky chrome for our mirrors, right over there. And they've even got the detail here of the defroster. Now we have some gold wheels as well as brake calipers. Those are very nice, well molded. Here's our headlight buckets. Those look very nice. We have our tires, nice soft rubber, good tread. And we have some axles and nuts over there. Here we have our rear glass for both turn signals and brakes. And we have some, looks like reflective material there. I guess you can cut out to use for things. We'll figure out what that's for. Here we have our masks as well for painting off the glass. And underneath here you can see, let's open this up here and look at our decals. Decals are right over there. And looks like we have some good decals there. Not too many, but some of the little details there for the brakes, Brembo brakes, and the STi. So we will definitely be using those. Let's have a look at our instructions. So here's some details about the car. These cars are often used as rally cars because they're very powerful, rugged, and four-wheel drive. First of all, here we're going to build the underside. It's the chassis. I'm going to put on the brakes as well as the hubs. Wheels go on next with the axles over there. And then we start to build the cockpit. Seats go on. And next we put the dashboard on, sides of the doors, all the little details go on there, and these are the cockpit gets put onto the chassis. Start to build the body parts with the air intake as well as the grille for the front. We've got the glass going on with our windshield wipers. So next we put on our glass onto the body, put some additional body parts as well as the grille and lights on there. The silver stickers are for the lights from behind, that's what they're for. They'll need to be cut out. Next we mount the body onto the chassis, and remaining body parts going on there, and license plates, wing, spoiler, and so on. Here are the here's the painting and decal guide. So unfortunately there is no engine to build or see, and so the hood won't come up, there's nothing to look at. But all in all, a very nice model, well detailed and well molded.